I'm Helena Valenza, better known as Nonni. I'm the chef of this restaurant. My son David is the owner. My daughter Camille is the sous chef. And my name's on the sign, so they can't fire me.
We want people to feel at home when they walk in here. And I've had people who live in town who say, can you believe that there's some place like this in Grove City?
You come in here, this is an extension of our home. We want you to have a great experience and enjoy what we enjoy, and we want to share that with you.
And a wonderful thing is on the what do you call it, the Facebook, when they give us 5 stars. Ooh, that makes my heart fly.